Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to help you practice English while using public transportation. We'll show you how to speak English confidently when traveling on buses, trains, or subways.
That's right. You'll hear a conversation between Alex and me, and we'll use common phrases that you can use when you're taking public transport. So, let's get started.
Okay, Emma, I need to buy a ticket for the train. Could you help me?
Sure, Alex. First, you need to check where you're going. Do you know the destination?
Yes, I'm going to Central Station. How do I buy the ticket?
Let's start by pressing Buy Ticket on the machine. Now, select the destination. In this case, you're going to Central Station, so click on that.
Got it. Oh, now it's asking me if I want a one-way ticket or a round trip. What's the difference?
A one-way ticket means you're only traveling to Central Station and not coming back. A round trip means you'll also have a ticket to return here later.
I'll just get a one-way ticket for now.
All right. Now, select your ticket type. You can choose between standard and first class. Standard is cheaper, but first class has more comfortable seating.
I'll stick with standard. It's more affordable.
Great choice. Now, choose how you want to pay, cash or card.
I'll pay by card. Okay, I'm done. That was easy.
See? It's not hard at all. Now you're ready to catch your train.
Emma, I'm not sure which bus goes to the city center. Could you help me out?
Of course. The city center is a popular destination, so there should be many buses that go there. Have you checked the bus schedule?
Yeah, but I'm still confused. Should I ask someone for directions?
That's a good idea. You can ask someone who works here or a fellow passenger.
Excuse me, do you know which bus goes to the city center?
Oh, sure. You need to take bus number 45. It should arrive in about 10 minutes.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good trip.
Emma, that was easier than I thought. Now I just need to wait for the bus.
See? People are usually happy to help, especially if you ask politely.
Good morning. Where are you headed today?
Good morning. We're going to the city center.
All right, that's $2.50 per ticket. Would you like to pay with cash or card?
I'll pay by card, please.
Great, here's your ticket. Enjoy the ride.
Thanks. Let's find a seat, Alex. It's a good idea to sit near the front if you're not sure where to get off.
Good point. That way I can ask the driver if I'm unsure. Emma, I think we're close to the city center, but I'm not sure. Should I ask the driver?
Yes, that's a good idea. Just say, "Excuse me, is the city center the next stop?"
Excuse me, is the city center the next stop?
Yes, it's coming up in 2 stops. I'll let you know when we're there.
Thank you.
See, Alex? It's always better to ask if you're unsure. Alex, we need to take the subway to get to our next destination. Do you know how to use the subway map?
I've never used it before. How does it work?
It's simple. The subway map shows you all the different lines. Each line has a different color. We're here at Station A, and we need to get to Station C.
So we're on the red line right now?
Yes. And we'll stay on the red line until we reach Station C. There's no need to transfer to another line.
That's good to know. How long will it take?
It should take about 10 minutes. The subway arrives every 5 minutes, so we won't have to wait long.
Wow, it's a bit crowded in here. Is this normal?
Yes, especially during rush hour. It's always a good idea to hold onto the handrails for balance.
Good tip. Should I offer my seat if someone looks like they need it?
Definitely. If you see someone who's elderly, pregnant, or carrying heavy bags, it's polite to offer them your seat.
I'll keep that in mind. Public transport can be a bit overwhelming, but it's great for getting around the city.
Exactly. Once you get used to it, it's really convenient.
Okay, we're almost at Station C. Should we stand near the doors?
Yes, but wait until the train comes to a complete stop before getting up. And remember, let the people on the train get off before you try to exit.
Got it. I'll wait until the doors open. Got it. I'll wait until the doors open.
I'm Gla. It's all about being patient and asking for help if you need it.
Emma, I'm not in the mood for the bus. Let's take a taxi or use a rideshare app. What should I say to the driver?
When you get into the taxi, you can say, "Hi, I'm going to destination. How long will it take to get there?"
Got it. Hi, I'm going to the Central Mall. How long will it take to get there?
It'll take about 15 minutes, depending on traffic.
Thank you. Emma, should I tip the driver?
Yes. It's polite to tip about 10 to 15% of the fare if the driver gives you good service.
That brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you learned some useful phrases for using public transportation.
Remember, whether you're buying a ticket, asking for directions, or catching a bus, the key is to stay calm and speak clearly. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.
See you next time.